So how often when you're reporting for clients do you have to go into each individual marketing service, export or screenshot that data, put it into a PowerPoint deck, put it into a spreadsheet, and then add notes in a separate document or in that PowerPoint and send it to the clients? So that's like 6 or 7 steps, and it's a super time consuming job. But what if there was a tool that allowed you to just connect your data sources to a dashboard and then you could send it via a link to your clients? That sound cool? Well, I found the perfect tool for you. I'm going to dive into what it is and why I like it so much. So the tool I'm talking about is, of course, Databox. They're a Boston-based startup who are creating these awesome dashboards which can connect data sources up and create lovely reports for your clients. Here is their website. Now, I am by no means an expert on Databox. The guys over there, they'll be able to take you through a little bit more of how Databox can suit your specific business, but I'm just going to go into the reasons why I like it and how it's been useful for me specifically and the reports that we use for our clients. Before I go into it at all, you can sign up for this completely free without a credit card, free forever. You can see the pricing on screen here, which gives you 3 data connections, 3 users and 3 data boards. I definitely recommend just going and trying it after this video, after I've shown you a little bit of what it does specifically. Once you sign up to Databox, you'll get to this screen. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a dashboard just by going to create new dashboard, use their wizard. Now you can browse their fantastic template library, which shows how different people have used different templates to create reports for people. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the specific metrics I want. Now they have got a whole plethora of data sources. As you can see here, you can link it up to virtually any marketing or any tool you really want to. Obviously Google Analytics and HubSpot will be a really good thing to do, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to connect a Twitter dashboard up. So I'm just going to click on Twitter here. I've already connected it up to my Twitter account, which is really easy to do, but I'm just going to say I want total followers, tweeting performance, followers growth, and retweets of me. Now I'm going to press continue. It's selected my Twitter account, and I'm going to press continue. And as you can see, it's actually built the dashboard up for me there, and then I can just go into preview it. And this is what my dashboard will look like with those data fields that I've selected. Now, if I go into edit this, literally the possibilities of editing this dashboard are completely endless. I can go into the Databox library, I can drag things in. Let me say I'm going to resize this retweets one here. And now I've got 2 extra boxes. I'm going to go up to my Databox library and I'm going to put my tweets into here. And then I'm going to put my following to followers ratio into this box. And there you go, that is now complete. You can mess around with the data sources, put custom stuff in here. Again, I'm not going to show you exactly how you do it. The best way to do this is to go into Databox and actually have a fiddle around with it. You can brand up your Databox using different colors and whatnot. Now I'm going to delete this one and show you one of the templates that you can choose and create dashboards from that. So again, you're going to create a new dashboard, use wizard, browse their template library, and I've currently got my YouTube channels and my Twitter connected up. So I'm going to filter it by data source. I'm going to say I would like a YouTube dashboard. So as you can see here, these ones are the ones created by Databox themselves, and these are dashboards created by different agency partners and other people. So I'm going to go on to YouTube watch time analysis, use the template. I'm going to do it from my main channel, and then it will build that data board, and it's actually pulled all the data in straight away. Now say I'm happy with that data board, I think it's great, I now want to send that over to the client. So what you simply do is click the share button, and then it will create a URL for you. So you can copy that URL, send it to your client, and then they can go on here and they will see all that data that has been collected in literally seconds. Do you see how quickly I did that? I did that in about a minute, from deciding what data I wanted to selecting the template, and then here it is, bam, all the data that I could possibly want. So say your client wants to adjust the time frame in which the data is viewed from. So you can click up here where it says last 30 days and change it to, for instance, year to date. And then it will automatically change all that data straight away. Or you can change the date range of the whole data board year to date. All the visualization options are absolutely fantastic. Again, if you want to find out more about how you can fully optimize this for your business, then go and speak to the guys over at Databox. They'll be more than happy to help. So another thing I want to show you are goals. Now, again, goals are something that I have not really played around with too much, but they can be so useful for your clients, and when you're actually creating dashboards based on KPIs and you need to hit those KPIs and you want to track things properly. So I've set this one up for James's Tech Life, which is my subscribers gain goal, which is I put it for a month. I wanted to gain 20 subscribers, and so far I've done 7, so I'm 35% of the way through. Now this will send me a notification when I've then completed that goal, and it is so easy to set them up. You literally add new goal, select a data source. I'm going to go to James's Tech Life, select the metric you want. I'm going to go with the views. So I want in this month 10,000 views. I'm going to call it views goal 10k or 10k views. Going to make me the goal owner, and then I'm going to set an email alert when my goal has been hit. So then I'll save that, and that has now created a new goal for me, which is fantastic. I can now see where I am for my monthly view goal. I'm at 1,463 out of 10,000, so I'm only 15% of the way there. So another really cool thing you can do is, if I go into this data board I've created for my other YouTube channel, is you can brand it how you want for your client using colors and different themes for the chart. Now my branding is grey and orange, so as you can see my data board is grey and orange. As you can see here, I put some few custom things in here. You can go into visualization types, numbers, lines, bar charts, pipelines, funnels. You can really, the possibilities of creating these reports are completely endless. I guess a good thing for me to do then would be to go into their actual template library and show you some of the really cool things you can do with it. So say if you're into social media, and you want a social media overview, I'm going to search social in here. And this one, for instance, would be a really good way if you just want to report to your clients how they're doing top level on their LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can just quickly use this template, make sure the data source is connected, and bam, send the report off to your client. How easy is that to do? Or say if you want a more in-depth one, so some of the funnel reporting ones are quite good. So this is a really cool one. HubSpot plus AdWords connected, so they've got 2 data sources in this data board. And as you can see, they've got actual funnel data, different sorts of data visualization types, which are really good way to show your performance against goals, against KPIs. So I'm rambling on a little bit about why I love Databox so much, but it's not just they've got a really cool tool that saves me a lot of time. You can customize it however you want, but the guys that actually run it, specifically Pete Caputa, the CEO, and John Bonini, their director of marketing, they have a really great content marketing thing going on. They do videos, they do a podcast. Their podcast is really worth listening to. Again, links will be in the description. Their blog is fantastic. Let me go onto their blog quickly. Their blog is here. Now, their blog is not only just 5 things that can make your marketing better. They actually use real life data. They speak to real agency partners, HubSpot agency partners and other different agencies, and they give you actual valuable information completely free. So let's go into a random one here. 35 HubSpot features that users can't live without. So a lot of people that use Databox use HubSpot. HubSpot is a really good marketing automation tool. What they've done is they've spoken to people, they've sent emails, they've done surveys of agency partners' favorite HubSpot features, and they just brought it together. So this is actually real useful stuff that is actually has value behind it, and that's what I really like about Databox's content. That is pretty much it. I know I've spoken quite a lot about Databox and how cool it is. I've really enjoyed using their product over the last few weeks. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a like. If you want to see more of this sort of content, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.